Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is Ashok Joshi and welcome to HA Media YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be quickly go through how to use Vim Text Editor in detail. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Okay, so let's start with Vim. So Vim basically stands for Visually Improved, it's a text editor. So you might have heard about VI Text Editor and you might be asking, why are we not learning VI Text Editor? So see, it's your personal choice. If you know how to work on Vim, VI works the same way. Okay. So Vim Text Editor is an advanced and open source, highly configurable text editor, which is basically used in order to enable efficient text editing, or you can edit files. Okay. So it need not be any txt file, or it can be a Python file or any other. No, it will support all files. Okay, it will support most of the file types, I would say. Okay, and that is why it is called as programmer's editor. Okay, so how to install this? Let me check whether this is installed in my system or not. Okay, so let me zoom this thing so that you guys can see properly. So I am a user Ashok Joshi now, so it's a normal user. So let's switch to not root, it's root, and let's give the password. Okay, so now we are root. Okay, how can we check? We can write who am I command and the user is root. Now if you want to install Vim Text Editor, okay, so what you can do, you can write yum install Vim. Okay, so it will start installing Vim. Okay, so why I just got this thing, that is because it is already installed. So how can you check it whether it's installed or not? Just write Vim and enter. So you can see here this kind of interface. It is showing you Vim VI improved. Okay. So now if I hit colon and Q and also this thing exclamation, this is basically referred to bang in Linux. Okay. Hit enter. That's it. So now Vim Text Editor is installed, and I hope you guys have also installed this Vim Text Editor. Just use this yum install Vim and definitely it will start installing it. Okay, so if you are using a normal user and you are trying to install it, make sure sudo privileges are there, then it can be installed. That's it. Okay, so now let's start with Vim Text Editor. So let me clear the screen. So use Control L to clear it. Okay, so where are we? So we can write pwd. So we are in users home directory. So /home/Ashok. Let's do one thing. What do we have? We have all these directories. So what I will do is I will create a sample.txt file using Vim Text Editor. So how to create a file using Vim Text Editor? So the first step is write Vim and then sample.txt. Hit enter. Okay. Now you will be completely blank if you are seeing this for the first time. So you will be telling, hey Ashok, what is this? I am not even able to write something here. So if you type something, nothing works. Okay. So what do we do now? See, if you want to type or edit something in that file, okay, what you will do is you will have to hit a key which is called as I. So if you hit I, you can see here at the bottom what it is written, insert. So basically this means that you are currently in insert mode. Okay, so in insert mode you can edit file. So which is the file? It was sample.txt. Okay, now you can enter something. So what we'll do, let's say I will write this content, hello Ashok Joshi. Okay, I hope your YouTube audience likes your Linux tutorial. I hope you guys like my Linux tutorials. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel when I teach something. Okay, let me see in the comment section what do you think about me. Okay, so let's say I have edited these many things. Now if I want to get out of this particular Vim text editor and I want to save this particular thing inside that file, what I can do is I can come out of this insert mode. How can I do it? Just hit escape. Okay. So if you hit escape, you can see here that insert has gone. So that means that you have come out of insert mode. Now, this is not the end. What you have to do is you will have to use this thing which is called as colon. Okay. Shift, and you know how to write colon, right? Good. Now, if you want to save this particular thing in that file, you'll have to use W, write, and quit, and an exclamation which is also called as bang. Now, if you hit enter, that's it. Now, if you see what is the content of sample.txt, tada! You can see here we have written that file content and it is now appearing here. I hope this is very clear for all of you. Cool. Okay, so now let me show you how to exit without saving a file. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Let's go inside sample.txt. Now you can see here we have written some content. Let's get into insert mode. And by the way, we are currently in command mode. So if you want to get into insert mode, you'll have to hit I. Okay, so at the bottom you can see here it's now in insert mode. Okay, and here, okay, so this third one means we are at the third row. Here you can see this is the first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row, and this is the 56th character in the third row. If I erase, you can see here, you can come to know what do I mean by that. See here, now we are in third character, first, second, and third. Okay, now I have erased all those things, and if I want to quit this particular file and I do not want to save the thing which I have erased, what I can do, I can just hit escape to come out of this insert mode, and what I will do now is I will hit colon and Q. So I am not using W here. Remember, if you hit W and Q, this will save the file. Okay, it will overwrite the file. If you just hit Q, that means that we are trying to save this particular file, but we are not changing anything, the content. Okay, so just use bang or exclamation to forcefully quit it. Hit enter. Now if you see what is the content of sample.txt, you can see here nothing is changed. So I hope you guys have got how we can quit without saving the particular file in Vim Text Editor. Okay, so now let me show you how to move cursors. So you go to vim sample.txt file, and now if you want to go up, what you will do? You have to move up. Either you can use up arrow key to move up, or what you can do is you can hit K. So if I hit K now, it will go upward one step. Okay, and if I want to go to H, I will hit again K. Now, if I want to come down, what I will do? I will hit J, J. Okay, simple. Okay, so if I want to move towards my right, okay, from I to L, if I want to go, how can I do it? I will use L. So if I hit L, it will go towards my right. And similarly, if I want to go towards my left, what I can do is I can just hit H. So if I hit H, it will go towards my left. So remember, if you want to go up, then you will be using K. If you want to go towards your right, you will be using L. If you want to go towards your down, you will be using J. If you want to go towards your left side, you will have to use H. Okay, so I hope this is very clear for everyone. Now let me show you how to delete one particular line. So let's say we have this line, so if I want to delete this particular line, this thing, how can I do it? What you have to do is you do not have to go to insert mode. You have to be in command mode. Okay. So what you can do now is just hit D twice. That's it. The line is gone now. Okay. So now after a while you imagine that, oh, I needed that line. How can I get back? So what you can do now is you can hit U. If you hit U, the line will be back. So it will undo the changes. Okay, so your content will be there. So that's how you can delete a particular line and you can undo the changes. So now let me show you how to search a particular word. So what you can do is, it's very simple. You can just hit forward slash. Okay, so notice here, the moment when you hit forward slash, it will show you here, and now you can search the word. Let's say I will write Joshi. See, this is highlighting here. Okay, so that's how you can search it. It's very simple. Okay, let's remove it. And now what else? Okay, so now let me tell you how to move towards the starting. So if you want to get the cursor here, H, you can hit GG. Okay, so that's it. You will be here. So if you want to move your cursor towards the bottom of the file, use G command. So just hit capital G. It will be at the bottom. See here, it has come to I. Okay, so that's how you can use G and GG. So twice if you hit GG, it will come at the starting, and if you hit capital G, it will come at the bottom. Okay, so at the bottom you have to hit capital G. At the starting, if you want to go, you have to hit twice the small g. Okay, so capital G, it will come down, small g twice, it will go up. Okay, at the first character. Cool. Okay, so if you want to erase some words in a line, you can use X. So if you hit X, it will delete that particular word. Okay, so if you want to undo it, you can just hit U. It will reflect your deleted changes back again. Okay, and at the last it will show you already at the oldest change. I hope this is very clear to everyone, and these are really important, guys, and you have to deal with VI text editor in your day-to-day life. If you are becoming a programmer, or let's say you are a sys administrator, then definitely you will be using VI text editor. So I hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, so now let me show you how to search and replace a particular word. What do I mean by that? Okay, so now let me show you how you can replace a particular word by searching it. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Let's say we have hello. I will search for the word hello, and then I will replace it with greetings. How can I do it? It's very simple. Just hit colon, and what you will do is you will use percentage s, and after this what you will do is you will have to search the word. Now the word which we are searching is hello. So what I will do, I'll write hello, and what I want to replace it. So I have to replace it with greetings. I'll write greetings, uh, INGS, and after this what I have to do is I have to use GC. Okay, and if I hit enter, it will ask me whether you want to replace greetings or not. And here you can see Y for yes, N for no. I will do Y. Hit enter. Now you can see here, greetings Ashok Joshi. So this is how you can replace the word by searching it. Okay, and I hope this is also very clear to everyone. Now let me show you how you can set line numbers. Okay, by using a simple command. So what you have to do is you'll have to just hit colon, just write set number, hit enter, and now you can see here we have 1 2 3. Okay, so these are very useful things that I have showed you in this video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and learned something new. Definitely I have tried to explain everything in detail, so that everyone who is watching it for the first time will come to know what I am trying to do. Okay, and thank you so much for showing your love towards the channel, and I hope I will definitely try to bring content which are very useful to everyone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and if you want to come out of this thing, just hit colon and WQ, write and quit, and bang. So bang basically I'm using in order to forcefully write and quit, so I have to save this forcefully and hit enter, and if you see what is there, camp sample.txt, the same thing is here. Okay, the line numbers won't be there. Okay, remember, line numbers will not be printed. That is just for showing. I showed you how to use line numbers. Okay. And there is one more way how you can write and quit it, and that is, let me show you. Let me go to vim sample.txt. So basically what we are doing, in order to write and quit, we are using wq and bang. So what you can do other way is, you can also use shift and zz. That's it. It will be saved. Okay. So this is one more way how you can save that particular file using Vim Text Editor. Okay. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. You guys learned something new, and you guys now know how you can get started into Vim. So if you have question like, I want to use VI text editor, you can use VI text editor as well. It is similar to Vim text editor only. Okay. So let me show you how it looks like. If you hit VI, the same thing will look. Okay. You have to use colon Q bang to quit out of it, and if you want to edit file, you can use vi instead of vim and sample.txt. Hit enter. Simple, right? The same thing is there, but a little advanced features are there in Vim Text Editor. Now now many people will be telling that these are just the basics, why haven't you covered Vim? See, if you want to learn something, you can learn. Okay, Vim is very huge topic and very vast. So you might be also finding many courses or tutorials related to only Vim. Maybe in future I will try to bring that particular tutorial only about Vim Text Editor. But right now, I want you all to quickly get started with Vim, okay? So that at least you can do some basic editing. So that's it for now. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you like this and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell icon so that others might get some benefit, and you will get the notification instantly whenever I will be posting a new video in future. And thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys are safe and sound. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Take care.